morning, everyone. Welcome back to another vlog. It is Friday morning, and we're about to jump on the bullet train to go across the country to play a game. I forgot where, but I'm pretty sure it's like 2-3 hours on the bullet train. It's pretty quick considering that it's on the other side of the country, but what is it called? Oh no, not this one. Niigata station. Yeah, so that's where we're going. 8 hours, or 4 hours. 4 hours by car using tolls, so yeah, that's where we're headed today. I'm not sure if are we versing a club or a college team today? Oh, we're versing a university team today, so but yeah, we're going to experience Japan's bullet train at the very high speeds that they go at, so yeah, that's what we're doing today. Alright, you know what we got to do now? Snacks for the ride. What are you getting for the ride, mate?
Oh, I just saw this thing on TikTok. It's like a de-bloating hack for your face.
Oh, true.
Ice, that other stuff that you guys been taking.
Wait, does that include lollies?
No, this is for the game. That's for the game.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, this is I can grab it with the tip on the way.
Oh, yeah. And what are you getting, Zach?
Lollies.
Lollies.
Water.
Way to Shinjuku. Alright, it turns out we got on the wrong train, so we hopped off at the next station, and we're going the opposite way, right line but opposite way, so we're gonna get on the right train now. I think is that here? And we made it to the right station, and the boys are waiting for us over here.
It has to be 10 good news. Alright, lead the way, bro. You know a lot of these guys.
No, it was Sebi, bro. He was so confident that we were going to Shinjuku, so we hopped on the other one. Sebi's fault. No, you're the one that told me it was Shinjuku. So we just came down a steep as escalator before to like a separate section of this train station, designed only for the bullet trains. So yeah, on the bullet train you get designated seats, so that's what we're doing today. We're on carriage 6. C4B, and then he's got you guys sitting up here. Oh, yeah. We have successfully made it on. Sitting next to James. No randoms at the moment. But yeah, bought Mao's laptop, so got 2.5 hours. 2.5 hours on this train, so yeah, bit of time to kill. There you go. I don't know how long left, but you can look at the map yourself. We're going to Niigata. And that's where we are now. It's been an hour and a half, pretty much. And we're sort of gone from coast to coast, from west to east. Yeah, pretty cool. Moving at pretty high speeds. What's that?
Just facing the camera on me, looking sideways to you. Yeah, it's good views.
We just got to Niigata, and I'm wearing a white shirt now because I'm going to take photos for rain. To Pumba. So yeah, I'm gonna walk through and do all that. But yeah, overall that was a quick ass. That was less. Oh, that was 2 hours on the dot.
It says on your ticket as well.
We left at 9:34 and it's 11:34 right now, so that was quick as.
I don't know, it says on your ticket as well.
Yeah. So I think I've got everything. Yeah. We're off now. There was a lot of leg space on the bullet train too, so yeah, that was a comfortable ride overall. It was mad, good views, the countryside, it was a quick ride, nice space. Thoroughly enjoyed it. I reckon don't catch plane to plane, catch the bullet train if you can.
Yeah.
Cheaper.
Yeah.
I know someone's going to say something, but
Yeah, it's the first one.
alright, so we just got through. Nice to meet you. What's your name?
I'm KY. You can call me KY.
KY.
Kogure.
KY. Okay, I'll just call you KY. Kogure?
Kogure.
Okay.
Kogure Yuto.
Okay. You don't mind being on video?
Oh, okay.
So, YouTube.
YouTube.
Yeah. My name's Jonah.
Jonah.
Yeah. Jonah.
Jonah.
Yeah. Nice to meet you. Do you play basketball?
I'm a student coach.
Oh, student coach. Okay. Wow, nice. Your English is very good. It's good. Better than all of our Japanese. Yeah. You enjoy it. I know a few Japanese people who live in Australia now, where we're from. How far is the walk to where we're playing today?
Train there, 20 minutes.
Oh, train there.
20 minutes.
Oh, okay.
Next store, bus there.
Oh, bus. Okay.
15 minutes.
Okay, good. Okay, so I think we're getting a train from here to the bus, which is so 20 minutes on a train and then a bus, 15 minutes to the university that we're playing at today. So yeah. A lot smaller this train.
Oh, there's bathrooms on here too? Yeah, most of these trains go bathrooms.
Oh, toilet. Man, Australia needs to step their game up there. I think we have like maybe 5 more minutes on the train with my friend JY. KY.
Nice to meet you.
Yeah. How long have you been learning Ueno now?
2 years? 3 years. 3 years.
Very good. He's just teaching us some Japanese words. How do you say lie?
Lie. Uso.
Lie. Apparently lie in Japanese is uso. Bye?
Sayonara.
Yeah, I've heard that one before, yeah. And stink. Kusai. So the guy behind the camera. Kusai.
I want to go Australia. Sydney.
Yeah. Sydney.
Japanese Sydney.
Yeah. Oh crap, I need. Alright, just made it after the second train. We're in a town called Kita, I think. Yeah. Which is like 20 minutes from Niigata where we caught the bullet train to, so it looks like we're more on the countryside of Japan now because it looks a lot more humble, but I like this.
This is peaceful.
Yeah.
Very peaceful.
Yeah, it's less people, it's not congested. Yeah, so look at the houses. So the streets are quiet for once. Nice warm weather out here too. Like the sun's out. Guns out. Sun's out, guns out. Taking our minibus to the university now.
Hey, shorty that one. Oh, look. I said shorty. I said shorty, bro. I said shorty. I said shorty.
I think Johanna said this one.
He wants up. That's right, Johanna.
Oh no, stop this one, he can have this one. The wheel thing is on it. Yeah, Johanna, you can have it.
Damn, my knee. Exactly.
It's not gonna work.
Alright, we just made it to the university. Z Money. It's so nice, man. The weather's so nice. This is the buildings around.
Okay, shoes off, shoes off.
Shoes off. Yeah, no, a lot of places that we've been at, yeah, you have to take your shoes off before you get in.
Nice to meet you.
Alright, we're gonna go to the locker rooms now. And get changed. I'm gonna suit up today. I'm gonna suit up. I'm not gonna play a lot, but yeah. Men only. Alright, we'll get changed over here.
Yo, what's good? It's Zach taking over the camera. I'm gonna show you upstairs the courts. Jonah. There's Jonah down there.
It was good. The boys played well, but me, too injured to play hard. Alright, man, we just got off the bullet train.
Thank you.
Ooh, had a good sleep on there. Now we are back in. We are back in Tokyo at Ueno station. Look at this. It's an ice cream vending machine. Just the normal. Yeah. Bro, it's an ice cream vending machine, like Cornetto's. No, that's crazy.
Thank you.
Right now, I'm just oh, really?
That's done. I was like $3 worth.
Oh, mine.
お客様にお願いいたします。エスカレーターやホームでキャリーバッグの落下事故が増えています。
It's really refreshing it, like fresh milk taste. Yeah.
It's actually really good. 安全確保にご協力をお願いします。
Thank you.
Thank you. Nice to meet you.
We got Jabat. Luti as guy, bro. Luti as guy.
You're the Luti. The cameraman is the Luti.
You do your best joking the station right now.
No, I'm not.
Seems a bit odd.
Alright, now we're going back to Sugamo. Gonna do some washing tonight and maybe head out somewhere. Ramen time for dinner with all the boys. Thinking ramen bowl with 2 or 3 boiled eggs. Oh, I might try that.
Is that the only roast cook you have?
3 boiled eggs, So we're having ramen with roasted pork and 3 boiled eggs. Alright man, we've got our food now. Nice and salty. Nice and warm. Just the soy sauce in there. Just soy egg, that's why it's colored like that. Satisfied, full, warm in the stomach. And now we're in Family Mart, time to satisfy the sweet cravings that you get after dinner. With a Coke Zero. I'm gonna try not to look at other stuff while I'm here. Or else I'm gonna buy. You're gonna take sleeping tablet thing tonight?
I'm gonna take the drink, yeah.
Alright, we're just in our room now. Just about to do our washing. Just sorting out our clothes. What we need to wash. And what we don't need to wash. But Zach needs to wash his